House in the Dry stands in Tamworth, New South Wales, on what was once grazing land. The region was once hit by a severe drought, leaving the ground cracked and vegetation nearly obliterated. It was from these extreme conditions that the idea for this house was born. The architects did not attempt to hide the reality, but instead made it their starting point to create a home that could withstand the harsh climate while also becoming part of the land's regeneration process. The basic concept was simple. The house had to be sturdy, energy efficient, and able to blend into the semi-arid landscape. This philosophy was then realized in the form of an elongated building mass with a gabled roof, reminiscent of a shed or farm building typical of the Australian outback. From the outside, the facade is made of weather-resistant corrugated steel, blended in with a dull color that seems to dissolve into the surrounding dry soil. The house does not try to stand out but rather blends in, becoming part of the vast, open rural landscape. Behind the simplicity of the exterior, however, lies a surprise. The architects added a hidden courtyard in the center of the house. This green space not only provides shade and new vegetation but also serves as the heart of the activity. From this courtyard, natural light enters, air circulates naturally, and residents have an outdoor space protected from the hot inland sun. The main pavilion houses the living, dining, and kitchen areas, a space designed to be open and fluid, facilitating family interaction while maintaining a visual connection with the external landscape and the inner courtyard. The interior is simple, functional, and warm. Bright plasterboard walls reflect light, the floors combine wood with natural stone for a natural feel, while the wood details in the kitchen add a touch of warmth that contrasts with the steel exterior. Compared to modern urban homes, which tend to be full of glass and stand out with bold, minimalist lines, House in the Dry takes a different stance. It is lower, grounded, and feels semi-rural. Its design is reminiscent of a simple country home, but reinterpreted with a contemporary architectural approach. This is what makes it unique. It sits halfway between traditional rural and modern urban. The house's architecture also embraces sustainability principles. The gabled roof helps channel rainwater for reuse. The building's layout takes advantage of natural wind directions, reducing reliance on artificial cooling. The materials used are largely local, strong, and easy to maintain, adapting to the geographical conditions. All of this makes the house not only visually beautiful but also ecologically intelligent. The message is clear: architecture doesn't have to choose between being entirely urban or entirely rural. There's a middle ground, a home that's simple, honest, yet comfortable, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing.